So a student asked a very good question today. When I demonstrated my pattern, which I can actually go back here, I had a white background. And then when I applied it, that white background came over. So another example I did, I was using bubbles. So these bubbles, again, I put them on a white background. And because I had them on a white background, that white background comes across. I went back to that bubble document. I turned my background off, so I saw the transparency. I did that into a new pattern. And then I applied that pattern instead of the bubble one that had the white background. So now my bubbles are the color of that background. So if I wanted this background, oh, no. Sorry, guys. My students in class couldn't see what I was doing. You know, I thought I turned the projector on, but didn't. They'll have to watch this wonderful video too, or I'll repeat myself, which is fine. If I change this background color, this background color is what should show through then. Oh my, I just put a hole in my paper. And now I have a yellow background. So if you make, actually a good recommendation would be to actually always save your pattern with a transparent background so you can then alter the color. Does that make good sense? Did you guys see enough here of what I was doing? So here's where I turned the background on and off and saved it as a new pattern. And then you can see the difference here between the bubble background that had the white versus the transparent. So have fun with that.